welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. How are you doing today? I really hope you all are doing well. So I'm a happy girl today. Christmas came early and you can see that I have one more Instant Pot. Instant Pot number 3. So this Instant Pot, this time we got it from Costco. Usually my last 2 Instant Pots, I think one we got it from Amazon and one we got it from Kohl's. Amazon, it was the Amazon Prime Day, so I got it like really cheap, and Kohl's was the cheapest because I used my Kohl's cash, I used my coupons, I used every possible thing on this earth, and it was just for like 20 odd dollars. So this time we got it from Costco because Costco always comes up with great deals and some add-ons. So let's open the box now. So this is Instant Pot Duo Gourmet multi-pressure cooker. It's a 6 quarts one, and I'm just going to open it now. So here is the beauty. I'm going to open it. Oh wow, see, I told you Costco always gives something extra. So it came with 2 rings. So usually I use this ring for my normal cooking and this ring for maybe non-vegetarian food or something. Okay, let's open it. Came with one rice spatula, one soup ladle, one measuring cup. What else? Most important, the trivet. Wow, see? One more important thing which I had to buy. So, oh, it came with 2 silicone mittens or 2 silicone grips. So these I had to buy it from Amazon, and it came with my Costco Instant Pot. Usually it's used to just take the inner pot outside. Okay, and what else? So brand new stainless steel inner pot. Okay, they have already put it back. So this is the condensation cup, which goes here. Here you go. And the lid. So my old lid, it did not have this pressure valve. This lid has come with the pressure valve to release the pressure. My old lid did not have this knob, so it's obviously easier. And the power cord, which goes behind the Instant Pot. Let's see if the camera can see it. So it goes down here. So it also came with safety, maintenance and warranty instructions. I would highly recommend you to read these safety instructions. Very, very important. End of the day, it's a pressure cooker, so you don't want to have any accidents using it. And this is a getting started guide. So usually I would go ahead and do a water test before you put in any actual food ingredients or food in it. So this thing is a getting started guide. So what it has is, it has instructions on how to remove the valve, how to remove the ring, and each and every component of all the functions. So this instant pot is 9-in-1 instant pot. My previous one was, I think, 7-in-1 Duo. My old instant pots, these arrows were somewhere here, and it was a little bit difficult to close the lid. So that is a great improvement. And let's see the panel. So as you can see, there are a lot of extra buttons now. So the new button I can see is the sterilize. My old one did not have this particular button. Also, I think the brown rice, the oatmeal, and it has bean and chili different, which in my older one is just a one click. Sous vide. What else? I think soup and broth I already had, and the pressure cook button is somewhere up now. It was here somewhere. The saute, slow cooker, the stew, all these buttons were already there. I'm just going to cancel it. So I'm excited. I'm really excited to use my new instant pot, and you will see this new instant pot in my upcoming videos. So this is the new beauty. I'm excited to use the new instant pot. I'm also going to make a video for the 8 quarts one. This Thanksgiving, my husband was really happy with me, and he was really generous. So I got 1 6 pot and 1 8 quarts, because the chicken, 5-pound chicken, couldn't go in the 6 quarts one. Sorry. So we are going to make one more video for the 8 quarts one, and I really hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. Happy cooking, and bye bye.